Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Pooja. I am a chartered accountant and I have an experience of working for Ernst& Young and KPMG. So recently all the three levels of CA exams got over. So I thought of bringing you all a different type of video. In this video I'll be discussing about how I got into KPMG as a newly qualified CA. So basically I'll be speaking about how I had applied, how many rounds of interview were there and what all questions were asked. So I will walk you through the entire hiring process. So stay tuned till the end of the video. Also guys, if you are watching my channel for the first time and yet to subscribe, I request you all to subscribe and hit the bell icon below so that you get notified whenever I post any new videos. So guys, if you visit my channel in the playlist section, you can notice that there are different types of playlists for CA final exams, for CA inter exam and for CA foundation exam as well. And then there is also a playlist as CA GPT for student where I have prepared different videos showing different techniques how you can use CA GPT for your exam preparation. Apart from that, there is also a video on Excel mastery for CA articleship and accountants. And then there are different other playlists as well, so which can be helpful for you. So please go through my channel and watch these videos and make the most out of it. So I had given the CA final exams in November and my CA final results were declared on 19th of January. So at that time I was working for ENY. So basically I have completed my articleship from EY in the statutory audit department. However, as a newly qualified CA, I was eager to explore different opportunities to broaden my horizons. So I had applied for various roles across different fields. So what I did first was I prepared a resume and I uploaded my resume on various platforms like Naukri.com, Indeed, Shine, Times Job and much more. So on all these platforms I updated my profile and as well as my resume also. So by doing this I could make my profile visible to potential employers. Thus this increased my chances of getting noticed and landing into a job interview. I had also participated in the ICI campus placement as well. So I will be making a separate video regarding my experience about the same. So after uploading my resume and profile on different websites, on 29th April I got a call from HR of a resource management company. So basically this call was about an opening at KPMG Global for the role of a audit senior in the UK audit department. So basically in the call he described about the job description and the initial job description sounded great and it perfectly aligned with my qualification. So after the first discussion, immediately it was followed by a telephonic interview in which I was asked few basic questions like tell me about yourself, why am I looking for a job change, what type of tasks I handled during my articleship and which industry clients I had handled during articleship. So these were the questions in the first telephonic interview round. So after qualifying in this round, my resume was forwarded to the KPMG Global HR. And then on the next day, that is 30th April, I got an email stating that my interview was scheduled at KPMG on 4th May. So there were 4 interview rounds at KPMG and all the 4 rounds had taken place on the same day itself. So let's go ahead and see one by one as to what were these interview rounds and what all questions were asked in these rounds. So the first round was a written test and this was of 1 hour. This was a descriptive type paper actually. So 1 hour of descriptive type written test was there. So in this round, I was given some case study relating to accounting and auditing. So basically, I had to correlate these case studies with the accounting standards, auditing standards, and I had to mention different provisions and I had to solve the case study. And also some computational questions were also asked relating to depreciation, leases, EPS and so on. So for this also I had to apply the different accounting standards, standards on auditing and I had to solve. So 1 hour time was given for this and also calculator was allowed for this. Since recently I had completed the exam, that is in November itself I had given the exam, most of the concepts were still there in my mind. Hence, I was easily able to attend these case studies. Also, when I got a call that the interview will be there, and since the job profile was relating to auditing, I had also brushed up on the concepts of accounting and auditing as well. One day before the interview, I had gone through all the basic concepts. That is all the Ind AS, accounting standards, auditing standards, all of this I had gone through before the interview. Hence, it was easy for me to clear this round. So one advice I would like to give here is depending on the job profile. So once you get call for the interview, first you should ask them the job profile and then they will email you in detail the job profile. So when you read the job profile, depending on what the job profile relates to, you have to study those topics and go for the interview. So in my case, it was relating to auditing itself. I went through topics of accounting standards, standards of auditing, etc. So similarly, in your case, if you are applying for a job which relates to taxation, so in that case, you have to go through topics of direct taxes, indirect taxes. So questions will be asked relating to that. So it is very important to first go through the job profile very carefully because questions will be relating to that itself. So after qualifying this written test round, the next two rounds were face-to-face interview. So two face-to-face interview were there. First was by a assistant manager. Then after qualifying that, there was another face-to-face interview with the manager. So in these two face-to-face interview rounds, more technical questions were asked. So like in these rounds, I was asked to explain in detail about audit of different items of balance sheet like fixed assets, cash and cash equivalents, debtors, share capital, etc. And also about audit of some item of income statement also like revenue. So in these two rounds, basically more technical questions were asked. And it also highlighted about my practical learnings from the articleship. So whatever I had learned from my articleship practically, those things also I had to demonstrate in these two rounds. And apart from this technical questions, my team management skills were also assessed. So this was assessed through situational questions. So wherein I was presented with specific scenarios relating to different team management topics and I was asked as to how I would handle them. Since along with auditing, the role which I had applied for involved team management skills also, wherein each of the senior would be given a specific team to be handled. So both technical skills and team management skills were assessed in these two rounds. Then after completing these two face-to-face interview rounds with the assistant manager and manager, then the last round was the HR round. So this was conducted by the KPMG Global HR. So the questions asked in this round was, tell me about yourself. What are your strengths and weaknesses? Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years? Describe a challenging situation you faced and how you handled it. And why should we hire you and so on. So basically in the entire interview, whatever practical knowledge I had learned during articleship, that was very important. So I had to demonstrate that at every level of interview. I had to demonstrate whatever I had practically learned during my articleship. So all of these rounds were completed on 4th May itself. Then after completing these rounds on 6th May, that is 2 days after the interview, I got a call from the KPMG HR stating that I was selected for the role. Then after this, reference checks, document verification and background verification were also conducted by the HR team. And then the final offer was rolled out and my joining date was fixed for 1st June. Apart from this interview and the ICI campus placement, I had given 2 more interviews. One was for an investment banking company and another interview was for a role in finance department at a company in a healthcare industry. So if you want to know more about my interview experience there, or if you want a video on how to prepare a resume, do let me know in the comments below and I will come up with a new video. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video useful and informative, do like the video and also share it with your friends and also subscribe to the channel for more such videos. Until next time, take care. I will see you all in the next video.